Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's get right into what we're talking about today. Hi.
Do you love Diwali sweets but worry about how they'll affect your PCOS? You are not alone. The good news is, you don't have to miss out on the festive treats. Today, I'm sharing 5 delicious, PCOS-friendly Diwali dessert recipes that are not just healthy, but also guilt-free.
Yes, you heard that right. You can enjoy Diwali sweets without feeling like you're sabotaging your health.
First up, we have almond flour laddoos. These are made with almond flour, which is a great low-carb, high-protein alternative to traditional flours. This treat is perfect for balancing your blood sugar levels while still satisfying your sweet tooth. And trust me, once you try these, you won't even miss the regular laddoos. Next, we have chia seed kheer, a lighter, fiber-packed alternative to traditional rice kheer. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and help with digestion, which is great for managing PCOS symptoms. Plus, this recipe uses almond milk instead of dairy, making it even healthier. For all the coconut lovers out there, this coconut milk barfi is a must-try. Made with coconut milk and desiccated coconut, this dessert is naturally low in carbs and has healthy fats, which are essential for managing PCOS. It's rich, creamy, and gives you that festive barfi flavor without the heavy sugar load. But wait, there's more. You won't believe the next one on the list. These date and nut rolls are a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet cravings without any refined sugar. Dates are naturally sweet and packed with fiber, while the nuts add a healthy dose of protein and good fats. It's the perfect no-bake treat that you can whip up in no time. Finally, we have jaggery sweetened pudding. Instead of white sugar, we're using jaggery, which is less processed and rich in minerals. Combined with chickpea flour and a touch of ghee, this is a warm, comforting dessert that won't spike your blood sugar. So there you have it, 5 PCOS-friendly Diwali desserts that let you enjoy the festivities without the guilt. You'll find all the detailed recipes in the description box below, so you can start making them right away.
Thank you for watching. Please help us grow and keep bringing you great content. Hit that like button, share this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.